Hi, this is Marty of Wiki Realty, and today may papakita tayo isang 3-bedroom house with view of the Metro Manila skyline here in Ridgemont Executive Village in Taytay, Rizal. Huwag na natin patagalin pa, and let's start our house tour. Ang ating property ay merong modern contemporary design. So dito meron tayong 2-car parking, yung ating car garage. And we also have our pedestrian gate kung saan tayo dadaan going to our main door. So ang ating 2-car parking, meron na siyang mga gripo if you want to wash your cars. Tapos meron pa tayong extra space dito acting as another service area. So meron tayong countertops dito na merong ceramic tiles and space na pwede na pa natin lagyan ng mga washing machine. Pero meron pa tayong dedicated service area inside the house. So mapapansin natin yung color scheme ng ating bahay, gray, white, black, tapos brown, kaya napakaganda tignan ng ating property. So makikita natin meron tayong dalawang access sa property. So this one, yung ating access going to the maid's room, and yung ating main door talaga na pagkapasok natin is yung ating living area. So bago tayo pumasok sa ating main door, meron tayong pocket garden din dito if you want extra space to plant your trees o mga kung gusto nyo magtanim ng kung ano-ano. Pero sa ating main door, meron tayong smart lock na. So pwede tayong mag-access either to through a passcode or parang key. So parang mga hotel, ganun. So upon entering our house, meron tayong double height living area. And we also have lots of awning windows, sliding windows, fixed windows for natural light para makapagtipid tayo sa ating kuryente. So this is our designated living area. Pwede tayong maglagay ng couch dito and our television right here sa harapan. And then behind me, we have the kitchen. So this one actually is a movable kitchen island. So ibig sabihin, hindi siya fixture, pwede natin siyang galawin if you want more space kung di kayo mahilig sa bar counter or kitchen island. So meron na tayong granite countertops for our modular kitchen, and meron na tayong mga range hood, electric cooktop, and soft close cabinets for our storage. So meaning, pag sinabing soft close, madali siyang isara. Hindi mo na kailangan talagang sara totally, magsasara na siya mag-isa. And we also have a space here for our 2-door refrigerator and more storage here on my left side. So pwede tayong maglagay ng mga plato or mga baso natin here in this area. Tapos meron na rin tayong oven underneath our electric cooktop for our kitchen. Beside our kitchen, we have a door. So this one leads to our dirty kitchen and service area. So ang maganda sa ating dirty kitchen, hindi siya mukhang dirty. And maganda rin yung malinis din yung ating area. So if you want to cook here, pwede rin naman. We have ceramic tiles for the countertops. Tapos may backsplash na rin dito for extra aesthetic. And may mga under the countertop cabinet na rin tayo for more storage. And of course, yung ating deep aluminum sink. So beside this one, meron tayong parang air well dito. Pero you can also use this as your extra service area. Kung gusto nyo maglagay ng washing machine, pwede naman dito. Kasi covered naman yung ating space na to. Okay, so going back sa ating ground floor. So paglabas natin ng ating service area or dirty kitchen, this is our designated dining area. So kasya dito mga 6 people. So dito naman, may makikita tayong door dito. This one is actually the storage/pantry. So may extra space tayo to put things there. Then behind me, meron tayong bathroom dito. So ang ating bathroom, floor to ceiling tiles na rin. And meron na tayong accent wall dito na may pagka-marble design with complete water fixtures. Meron tayong rainfall shower, may sink na tayo, may mirror na, may water closet, and may bidet. So maganda dito, maganda yung design, very easy to the eyes, and floor to ceiling na yung ating tiles. And may awning window na rin tayo doon for ventilation. So dito naman, yung door na to is the designated maid's room. So, if wala naman kayong maid, pwede natin gawing seniors room dito. So, this one, located to sa tapat ng ating 2-car garage. And yung flooring pala natin for this one is vinyl with cement. So, tignan naman natin ano itsura ng ating kwarto sa ating second floor. So, yung property na to, meron siyang lot area ng 136 square meters and a floor area o total livable floor area of 189 square meters. So, upon landing sa ating second floor, makikita natin yung space dahil meron tayong double height living area. So, maganda yung ikot ng ating hangin dahil hindi totally na-covered yung itong part na to. So, here on my right, this is the first bedroom. So for our bedrooms, yung ating flooring again, made out of vinyl with cement. Tapos meron na tayong built-in cabinet dito for extra storage. So pakita mo to, ating built-in cabinet. And then besides sa ating built-in cabinet, meron na rin tayong provision for window type aircon. Tapos meron na tayong sliding window for natural light and air circulation. Pero pwede pa rin tayo maglagay ng split type aircon. So beside this room, we have a bathroom, which is the communal bathroom for the 2 bedrooms. So almost the same design siya nung bathroom na nakita natin sa ground floor with complete water fixtures, yung ating water closet, bidet, sink, rainfall shower, tas floor to ceiling ceramic tiles, tas meron pa tayong lalagyan ng mga soap natin dito at the far end. Plus, yung ating awning window for ventilation. Beside our bathroom, meron tayong sliding door right here. So this one is the master bedroom. So for our master bedroom, we have more built-in cabinets right here, which also acts as your walk-in closet. And meron na tayong mga pin lights sa ating master bedroom. And of course, meron tayong master bathroom na private for this master bedroom. So, tignan natin ano itsura ng ating master bathroom. So, for our master bathroom, this is going to be your shower area. Meron ka na rin spaces dito. So, na-maximize natin space for our shampoo, for our soap, and yung ating water closet, bidet, tas meron tayong sink dito, and yung ating mirror. So, floor to ceiling tiles na din tayo for the master bathroom. So, pakita natin ano itsura ng ating terrace. So, yung ating terrace, access siya, shared by the master bedroom and yung bedroom na titignan natin later. So, meron tayong malaking space dito. So, this one, you can also see yung ating view of the Metro Manila skyline. Napaka-relaxing tignan. So, if you want to drink coffee dito, kaya mag-inuman with your friends, maganda yung ating view. Tapos, ang ganda ng ambience natin dito because we have lots of trees, lots of birds chirping, kaya napaka-relaxing tong part ng Ridgemont na to. Highly elevated pala to, kaya hindi talaga babahin tong area na to. Pag binaha tong area na to, baka Luzon bahana. Buong Luzon bahana. So, yung nabanggit ko kanina, we have another room. Nakita rin yung ating Metro Manila skyline, kaya napaka-relaxing din tong kwarto na to. And besides doon, meron tayong mga extra design, gawa sa kahoy talaga to. So, we have your access right here. And ito yung room na binabanggit ko. So, pag nakahiga ka dito or nakastay ka dito, you also have your view of the Metro Manila skyline. So, napaka-relaxing. Just imagine, papahinga ka dito, tingin ka lang sa Metro Manila skyline, sobrang relax ka na. And besides doon, meron na rin tayong, again, built-in cabinets, provision for your window type aircon, and yung ating floorings gawa sa vinyl and cement. Okay? So, that's actually it for this video. Comment down your thoughts about this house. And if you want to schedule for a viewing or for a tripping, you can contact us. Yung contact details namin nasa description below. So again, this is Marty Hernandez, licensed real estate broker of Ika Realty, and we hope to see you in the next video. Keep safe.